On days when there's 8 people in there, you don't need 4 compressors running. You don't need that full 15 tons of capacity. The most important thing we need to do when our customers approach us about projects is we need to ask them the right questions. And that's relative to if it's a remodel, which is a lot of what we do. Are you changing the use of the space? And per that point, what we need to talk to is if they are going from a space that, let's just say it was warehouse or something before where it just had a fixed load, and if they're changing that to say something of more of a training center where there's going to be more of a load, but it's going to be intermittent, we need to know that up front so we can design accordingly. Our upstairs training center here in Sioux City is newly remodeled. It's a very good example of that. If you look at the square footage, the old way of thinking would have told you it would have taken about 15 tons of cooling, which it does, but the problem is it doesn't always have 150 people in it. A way around that is to get a multiple stage unit, which is a unit with multiple stages of cooling, and that allows you to accommodate for those changing loads. So most days that room has very few people in it. Every week it has a manpower meeting in it with maybe 10, 12 people in it. Monthly it has a safety meeting where there's, say, 50 people in it. And if we have an event up there, it can have up to 150 people in it. So, if you look at the design consideration, you need to accommodate that load as it changes. So if you use a multi-stage unit, that is a unit with multiple compressors. On days when there's 8 people in there, you don't need 4 compressors running. You don't need that full 15 tons of capacity. So a multi-stage unit just brings on compressors and spins the blower fan as needed to take care of that load and handle the humidity. Whereas if we have an event in there with 150, we can bring on compressors as the load increases through the day, and that'll handle the heat load of 150 people.